Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to do a centerpiece. So I have two options that you can use here. You can use the concrete with the metal rod, and then I just put tissue paper on top and close it, and then you can do that version, or you can use the tile, the balloon end, and a stick. Tile, just like if you were to do floor, shower, anything like that, you can purchase this at Lowe's. The stick you can purchase at Lowe's, and the balloon topper, you can actually purchase this at a balloon store. So either you could go to Winners Wholesale, Joker's Party Supply, and purchase this. I kind of have it pre-made just so we can make this a little bit faster. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a two-part centerpiece with your topper on top. So I'm gonna start off with my 5-inch balloon. I'm gonna do 5 pumps. Notice my pump is closed, and I'm literally gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pumps, okay? You wanna make sure you tie your balloon correctly. Again, we're gonna do, close your pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason why I'm showing you exactly how to pump is because if you don't do it correctly, your balloons are not going to be the same size. And the reason why I'm using a hand pump is because this is a DIY, and most likely people don't have balloon pumps at home, so we will be using the hand pump. Again, we're going to do 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then close our balloon. We're gonna do a pink one. Close your pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. And then you want to tie them together. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna make a quad. By doing a quad, you're just gonna grab them, twist the balloons, and there we go. Now we have a quad. Now we're gonna do same 5-inch balloon. We're gonna do 3 pumps. Again, close your balloon pump. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps. Again, tie your balloon. Shut your pump. 1, 2, 3. Again, tie them together. Again, we're gonna do a quad. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Again, quad. Twist them together. All right, so as you can see, I used 2 colors here. For this particular brand, I'm using Balloonia balloons, and I'm using 5-inch balloons, okay? So we're gonna use the 5 pump ones on the bottom. To get it on, you're just gonna twist. As you can see, you wanna make sure that you have your colors separated, and you gotta press down to get it down to the bottom. Now we're gonna use the 3 pump 5-inch balloon quad. Again, same thing, twist, and then you want to make sure to switch, that way you have your colors spread out. So that is the bottom portion, okay? We have already pre-installed our little tag here with our bow in the back, as you can see. And the only reason why I'm doing stuff in advance is because it does get time consuming, so I'm just trying to get this video to go a lot sooner. I have already pre-made the same. We're just doing the opposite version of this. So on the bottom you have your 5 pumps, on the top you have your 3 pumps. On top of here we're gonna do our 3 pumps, sorry, our 5 pumps and our 3 pump, okay? So it should be a mirror, if that makes sense. And sorry,